riding the market roller coaster up, down, and around we go. The stock market is like a roller coaster. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. These ups and downs are called market trends. Understanding these trends helps you make smart investment choices. It's like knowing when to hold on tight and when to brace yourself for a dip. Remember, investing always has risks. But knowing about market trends helps you manage those risks. Now let's dive into the exciting world of bulls and bears. Bull market. Charging ahead with optimism. A bull market is like a powerful bull charging ahead. Prices are going up. Investors are feeling good. They are buying stocks because they think prices will keep rising. This positive attitude helps the market grow even stronger. Think of it this way. Imagine everyone wants to buy a certain toy. The demand is high, so the price goes up. That's the bull market in action. Bear market hibernation time or time to worry. Now imagine the opposite. A bear market is like a sleepy bear. Prices are going down. Investors are worried. They might sell stocks because they fear prices will drop even more. This can be a bit scary, like when that popular toy isn't so popular anymore. Demand drops, and so does the price. Understanding bear markets helps you prepare and protect your investments. Bull versus bear in action real-world showdowns. Let's look at some real-world examples to understand bulls and bears better. Remember the dot-com boom in the late 1990s? That was a classic bull market. Internet companies were all the rage. Investors were pouring money in and prices soared. But then came the dot-com bust in the early 2000s. The bubble burst. Many internet companies failed. Investors panicked and sold their stocks, leading to a bear market. These examples show how important it is to recognize the signs of bull and bear markets. It helps you make informed decisions about buying, selling, or even just holding on to your investments. Section 5 Stop-Loss Orders, your safety net in the market jungle. Investing in the stock market can feel like exploring a jungle. It's exciting, but there are risks. That's where stop-loss orders come in. They act like a safety net, helping you limit potential losses. Here's how it works. You set a specific price for your stock. If the price drops to that level, your stop-loss order automatically sells your shares. Think of it like setting an alarm. It helps you sleep soundly, knowing you have some protection if things take an unexpected turn. Section 6. Making money in any market strategies for bulls and bears. Here's the good news. You can make money in both bull and bear markets. In a bull market, investors often buy stocks hoping to sell them later at a higher price. This is called buying low and selling high. But what about a bear market? This is where things get interesting. Some investors use a strategy called short selling. They borrow stocks and sell them, hoping to buy them back later at a lower price. It's like selling a toy you borrowed, hoping to buy it back later when it's cheaper. Remember, these are just two basic strategies. There are many ways to invest in the stock market. Section 7. Candlestick charts, quick glimpses into market sentiment. Traders use charts to understand price movements. One popular type is the candlestick chart. It's like a secret code that reveals market sentiment. Each candlestick tells a story about a specific time frame. The candlestick's body shows the opening and closing prices. The wicks, or shadows, show the high and low prices. Learning to read candlestick charts can give you a quick sense of whether the market is bullish or bearish. It's like having a cheat sheet to decipher the market's mood. Section 8. The balancing act, risk versus reward in bull and bear markets. Every investment involves a balance between risk and reward. Bull markets might seem exciting, but they also come with the risk of buying at the peak and losing money when the market turns. Bear markets can be scary, but they also offer opportunities to buy stocks at potentially lower prices. The key takeaway? Understanding your own risk tolerance and investing accordingly is crucial. Section 9. Key takeaways, navigating the bull and the bear. So, what have we learned about the wild world of bulls and bears? Bull markets are like a party. Prices go up and investors are happy. Bear markets are like a time to relax. Prices go down and investors are cautious. Stop-loss orders are your safety net, helping you limit potential losses. You can make money in both bull and bear markets with the right strategies. Candlestick charts give you a glimpse into market sentiment. Remember, investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. By understanding market trends, managing risk, and making informed decisions, you can navigate the exciting world of bulls and bears. Gap 3S, Section 10, the long-term game building wealth. In the end, it's not just about making money and enjoying the ride, it's about building lasting wealth. Whether you're riding the highs of a bull market or weathering the lows of a bear market, the key is to stay focused on your long-term goals. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and seize opportunities across different sectors. Keep a keen eye on market indicators and economic trends to make informed decisions, and most importantly, stay patient and disciplined. Remember, the stock market is a powerful tool for wealth creation, but it rewards those who think long-term. So let's keep our eyes on the horizon and march forward with confidence in the exciting journey of investing. Don't forget to subscribe to the Play with Candles YouTube channel for more insights and tips on mastering